A lot of people think they cannot become rich just by having a job. But that's not true. You surely can become rich by having a job. The key is consistency. Let's discuss that in detail today. Hi guys, my name is Mohammed Shoaib. I am the founder and CEO of Money Spot Trading Partners. We are an educational platform for everybody who wants to learn about stock markets. When I say you can become rich by having a job, the key is to make good financial decisions. Let us discuss this in detail now. You go to a job, and what do you do in the job? You perform a skill and you spend certain time, maybe 9 to 5, and then for that time you get compensated with your salary. They pay you the money. What do you do with this money? You use it for your essentials, wants, and your luxuries. Since childhood, we have been told that we have to save money. So in this whole cycle of your earning and then spending, we forget that. Because in today's world, our lifestyles are improving. We want to live a better life. We always keep upgrading ourselves. So in the whole cycle, what happens is you start spending money more than what you earn. The salary what we get is not enough to compensate for the lifestyle what we have. This is the huge gap now. What is the reason? It's because our decision making. We want to buy a car which we cannot afford. We want to live in a house which we cannot again afford, because the lifestyle is like that. There is a very famous quote what somebody says that we spend a lot of money which we have not earned to show off to people whom we don't like, to buy things we don't need. The moment you upgrade yourself to something else, you need more money. I will give you an example. You have a car which doesn't have an EMI, but you're not happy with that car. You want to upgrade to something else. You want to upgrade to a luxury car, but you cannot pay the full amount to buy a luxury car. So what you do is you put an EMI on it. So you are in the trap of EMI now. So you pay this EMI for 10 years, 20 years, depending on the down payment and the car what you have. The more you upgrade, the more money you want. So you work harder in your job so that you get some promotions and you make more money. So in this whole cycle, what you do is you forget to save or invest. For a lifetime, you are indebted to the banks or different organizations where you owe the money, and then you keep paying EMIs till the end of your life, and you don't have any retirement plan. Even at the age of 60, you will want to search a job. So how to break this cycle? Let us understand this now. Let's again take the same thing. You have a job, you spend some time there, you get the money, that is your salary, and with that money, you start investing on assets. What is an asset? An asset is something which will bring money in your pocket, and a liability is something which will take money away from your pocket. Very simple understanding, layman's term. So you start investing in assets. For example, you buy a property, and this property you have a building, and this is giving you rent. Or you invest in shares, and the shares have capital appreciation, one thing. Second thing is you get dividends from this shares. Or you invest in a business which is giving you regular profits. So these are the income from your assets. So in the first case, what we do is we spend 40% of our salary on our needs, which are essentials, and 58% we spend on our wants, our luxuries, which are not essential, but it's an added luxury for you. And then you have this 2% left, then you save it or you invest it. So with this 2%, you cannot buy financial freedom. That's not possible. Financial freedom comes with a cost, and it's not 2%. So what I am telling you is have this plan of have 40% essentials, because essentials cannot be cut down. You cannot stop having food because that's essential. You cannot go and stay on a road because you want to save your rent. That's not possible. So you spend this 40% on your needs, reduce your wants to 20%. So 60% of your salary is gone. And then the rest 40%, you start investing. This 40% will be the cost of your financial freedom in the future. And you keep repeating this cycle of investing 40% of your income consistently in different assets. And then one day you will have so much income from these assets that you choose that you want to do a job or you don't want to do a job. A lot of people retire early. The reason is they consistently invest in assets which can bring them income, and from that income they buy things what they want. So what did we learn in this video today? The key lessons are, the very first thing is a reflection. Reflect how much money is coming into your account and how much is spent and where it is spent. So you should have a clear picture of your spendings. And the second one is consistency. You start investing consistently in any asset which will give you the income, and from that income you can buy the things what you want. And the third thing is subscribing. Subscribe to our channel so that you keep learning and keep growing. I hope you will follow the rule of 40, 20 and 40. 40% for your essentials, 20% for your wants, and again 40% for investing. And this 40% will be the cost of the financial freedom. You will be thankful to yourself for investing consistently, so that after 10 years or 20 years, when you look back, you have a very good sum of amount and you're getting regular income, and then you get to choose you want to work or you want to retire. So this is your friend Mohammed Shoaib. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.